Massive drop yesterday on Dow Jones, Nasdaq, Germany 40 and FTSE 100, but at the same time all of them rather getting a support at their critical support levels. However, US 30 Dow Jones still has some room to drop further, but US 100 has almost achieved the levels which it were expected to 12,800. Remember my weekly analysis. And Germany 40 I told 13,500. Once it drops below 13,900 levels, see it has achieved 13,530 in the aftermarkets hour. And yes, FTSE 100 also trade achieved 7,300. Now what is going to happen? Today, let's try to have a look with the help of candlestick charts and indicators. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Don't forget to press the bell icon and stay tuned with the latest analysis. The next video will be up just before the US cash session, specifically for gold, Dow Jones and Nasdaq. Let's start the day with US 30 first. US 30 now trading at 33,400 and it has seen a bounce back from 33,150 levels. It has achieved a low there, and another observations to make here on the daily charts, it has achieved almost double top there and lower highs, so indicating that probably there is a very strong resistance at 34,000 plus levels. And the same time, once it breaks today 34,300 zone, rather I will say 33 I will say 3250 levels, if it breaks today, probably we may be looking forward to, or we may embrace another drop today which might take it towards below 33,000 levels. As I have told always, it has to go back below 33,000 levels and it has to maintain the zone between 32,500 to 33,000 levels, specifically 32,700 800 zone has to be achieved. But I will be cautious again. Why? On the daily charts, if you see, it is oversold, but it can sustain oversold zone. If it can sustain overbought zone, then probably it has to sustain oversold zone also. Hence be cautious with the longs still. Why? We'll come to that. Look at the daily MACD here. MACD is wide divergent and still on sell. There is still room for it to increase the height of this candle, and hence probable little more bearishness can be expected. Also look at this. Why I am saying so? That it can try to drop a little. See, previous candles and previous two candle minor retracement, double top, and this is the first drop after this candle. Yes, if it tries to bounce back again above 33,550 levels, we may see it going till towards this zone at 34,000. So I will be watchful of 33,600 levels, rather 550-600 zone. If it breaks this, we may see a sharper rise again. So till that time, we have to be a little bit cautious. Why? Because this is the first candle and second red candle can again be expected. So now this is just on the daily charts. Let's have a look at different time frames and try to conclude. Now look at the 4-hour charts. On the 4-hour charts, you will find that it is trying to trade in this channel, retracement and then a drop. Probably try to retrace here at 33,700 levels, and from there, rather I will say 33,600 levels, and from there again it may try to drop. This is also very much possible, and we have to be cautious with the longs there till 33,600. But also look at the pattern there. On the pattern side, if you ask me, lower lows has been considered. Even if it has traded, if we consider this as double bottom, then only I would have expected that there is a possible bounce back. Now right now it appears that we may see a little more drop. If you look at the 4-hour stochastic, as I said, probably it may try to go back till towards 33,600 and drop from there. MACD is wide divergent and still on sell. RSI is near to oversold zone. Look at the 3-hour charts. On the 3-hour charts, lower lows have been done and still there is some room for it to go till towards 33,000 and below levels. So yes, once it breaks 33,250 levels, you can go short again. However, right now it is trying to take a support and rise back. How far this could go? There is a fairly strong resistance at 33,700 levels today. Only if it breaks 33,700, I will recommend you to go long. But 3-hour stochastic looking upwards, looking in buy side. MACD is still on sell. RSI is not showing any sign there. And if you look at the 2-hour charts, on the 2-hour charts, on the contrary, similarly you can see, let me zoom in and show you something here on the 2-hour charts. See, on the 2-hour chart, there is a support at 33,200, and with that as support, it is trying to rise. The next resistance is at around 33,550 levels and then 33,700 levels. So if it breaks this zone, then only I will consider this as bullish, and then it will try to rise strongly. So there is a fair chance that it may try to retrace back a bit on the upside, breaking 33,200. We may see a sharper fall. 2-hour stochastic looking upwards. MACD is trying to enter into buy side again. RSI was oversold. Hence, right now with the support, if you see with the support here at around 33,300, it is trying to rise, and if you see it breaking below 33,300, one can go short for 33,200 and below levels. That is what I will recommend. And just let me give you the summary again. Below 33,300 today, one can go short. It may get a support at 33,200 again, and 33,150 levels. These two levels I will be watchful of. Below 33,150, we may see 33,000, 33,000 and 32,800 levels. At the same time, till the time it remains above 33,300, one can expect it to go back till towards 33,500. So it may try to achieve 33,500, 33,550 levels before it looks forward to a drop. Above 33,550, yes, there is a fair chance that it may try to hit 33,650 and 700 zone, and in fact beyond 33,700 we can expect it to act little bit bullish out there. So yes, with the support at 33,300, one can go long here, and one can expect it to rise till towards 33,500 first target, 33,650 next target, 33,700 and 800 zone next target, and from there again it may try to drop a bit. Any bearishness on US30 is below 33,150 levels, below which one can expect 33,000 and 32,800 levels. So take your positions accordingly. Now let's have a look at Nasdaq 100. Look at the 2-hour charts for Nasdaq 100, taking the support at 12,950. It is trying to rise, and probably now looking for it to somewhere achieve 13,100, 150 zone, and beyond that 13,200 can also be expected. The highs for today can be at around 13,300 levels. So with the support at 13,950 or 12,950, it is trying to rise. Probably it may try to hit 13,200, 13,350 zone. 2-hour stochastic looking upwards. MACD trying to converge. RSI near to oversold zone. And if you look at the 3-hour charts, similarly on the 3-hour charts, I will be cautious here. This is a sign of reversal here, and with this as reversal, if it tries to break beyond 13,150, 13,100 levels rather, I'll say, you can expect 13,150, and then you can expect 13,300 levels. It may try to achieve 13,300 before it looks forward to any further drop. Look at the 3-hour stochastic looking upwards from here. MACD trying to converge from here. RSI is oversold, hence a little bounce back can be expected. I will be expecting it to rise a bit. Look at the 4-hour charts. On the 4-hour charts, I will be looking at trading at the bottom of the Bollinger Bands, and if it breaks 12,950, then only I will recommend you to go short for 12,800 again. Till the time it remains about 12,950, one can expect that it may try to hit 13,200, 300 zone, and in fact can rise above levels also. 4-hour stochastic looking upwards from here. MACD is wide divergent on sell on the 4-hour charts. This is just second red candle, hence third red candle can also be expected. RSI is oversold and trading strongly bearish zone. And if you look at the daily charts, see it is this is the level at around 12,950. If it breaks, one can expect 12,800, and then below that again a sharper fall till towards 12,500 can be expected. On the upside, there is a fairly strong resistance at 13,300 and 13,500 level. However, these are markets, every level is meant to be broken, and if you see it trading above 13,050, you can take a long entry. Rather, I will say till the time it is above 12,950, one can remain long. One can expect 13,150 first target, 13,300 next target. Probably it may try to hit this zone, and once it breaks 13,300, we can see a stronger rise till towards 13,500 levels also. MACD is again on sell, and stochastic is again oversold and probably looking upwards from here. I'll be looking forward to a rise from here. MACD is wide divergent, is strongly sell side. Probably a convergence is required, and hence any long entry can be taken. Till the time with the stop loss at 12,950, one can remain long on Nasdaq 100. The target is towards 13,150. First target 13,300. Next target. So take your positions accordingly. Now let's have a look at FTSE 100. Similarly, FTSE 100 has seen a low at 7,300, which is going to be a fairly strong support, and yes, is zone between 6,800 to 7,200. We have to be remain little bit cautious here. Look at the highs. Even if it tries to rise, it may try to rise till towards 7,450 levels, and yes, one can remain long on FTSE 100 till the time it remains above 7,340, 7,360 and 7,380. These two are the targets. Once it trades above 7,320, 7,380, I will expect it to come back till towards 7,420 levels. So yes, one can remain long for a target of 7,420 and 7,440 levels. 1 day stochastic looking upwards. MACD must converge and hence a greener candle can be expected. That is my expectation. But these are markets beyond you and me. Any short entry is below 7340 levels only. Till the time it trades above 7340, I'll expect it to go back till towards 7410, 7420 levels. Now this is on the daily charts. On the 4-hour chart, similar is the story. It is trying to reverse from here. Higher, see the lower lows have been achieved, lower highs it has to achieve. Now looking forward to 7420, 7440 levels. 4-hour stochastic looking upwards, MACD wide divergent and still on sell. RSI near to oversold zone, and if you look at the 3-hour charts, similarly 3-hour charts looking upwards from here, and hence this is also a reversal candle can be seen on the 3-hour charts, and hence one can expect 7420, 7440 levels probably. So I'll be expecting it to rise till towards 7420, 7440 levels. Today one can remain long with the stop loss at 7340 levels. If you see it trading beyond 7340, then you can only go short. So this is all for FTSE 100. One can remain long with the stop loss at 7340. One can remain long on FTSE 100. The target is towards 7420, 7430, 7440 levels. Any move beyond 7440 is a bonus. One can remain long till there. Take your positions accordingly. Now let's have a look at Germany 100. Germany 40 trading at 13600 levels. Remember what did I say in my weekly analysis, that probably once it breaks below 13800 levels, 13900 levels, we may see it trading till towards 13500. It has precisely achieved that. This is a reversal candle here we have seen, but we have to be very cautious. Once it breaks only 13700, one can go long for 13800, and then it may try to head back till towards 13950 levels, which is going to remain a fairly strong resistance. So yes, you can go long above 13700. MACD stochastic looking upwards from here. MACD wide divergent on sell. RSI is near to oversold. And if you look at the 2-hour chart, similarly on the 2-hour chart, there is a fairly strong support at 13600. So yes, if you see it trading below 13600, then you can go short. The target is going to be this time 13400 levels. So below 13600 one can go short, above 13700 one can go long. 2-hour stochastic looking upwards from here. MACD wide divergent and still on sell, must converge from here. And if you look at the 4-hour charts, 4-hour charts is trying to reverse. 13600 is the support. Beyond this one can expect it to hit 13800 levels, and beyond that it will try to fly strongly. 4-hour stochastic looking upwards from here. MACD wide divergent on sell. RSI is oversold and the bounce back can be expected. And if you look at the daily charts, similarly on the daily charts, it is getting a little resistance. It is trading outside the Bollinger Bands, and hence a reversal can be expected. 13800 the target is there, and it may try to in fact go till towards 13950 levels also. Look at the daily stochastic trying to converge and crossover. MACD is wide divergent to sell. So till the time it remains above 13600, one can remain long for a target of 13780, 800, and once it is above 13800, one can expect it to head till towards 13950 levels and above levels also. Take your positions accordingly. This is all from my side. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Don't forget to press the bell icon and stay tuned with the latest analysis. Join my next mentorship batch. The strategy start will in the batch on the 15-day session. Definitely you will be becoming a proficient and efficient trader. Reach out to me for any of your trading or training related queries. My email ID and telegram ID are mentioned in the description. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. Thank you.